So are you someone who's been dreaming of quitting their job? Because if that's you, then what I want to do in this video is share with you guys the blueprint that can make that a reality. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Daryl Hannah. And guys, this is the same blueprint, as you can see right here, that paid me $4,300 yesterday, when all I did yesterday was shop all day and enjoy 75-degree heat down here, or weather down here in the beautiful state of Tennessee. Guys, what this program does, guys, is that I purchased a digital product inside of this blueprint, inside of this program. And what I've learned, guys, is the skills, the training inside of this blueprint, inside of that digital product, guys, has taught me. It has equipped me with the skills to be able to market on today's social media platforms. Those marketing skills, this training that I've acquired inside of this blueprint, it has allowed me to be able to create content on social media. It has allowed me to be able to attract my perfect customer. I never have to get on the phone with anybody. I have people coming to me, guys. It has allowed me to have my business discovered, right? Guys, the system that I'm using, guys, this is the system that comes with this program that I got. It's a fully automated, pre-built, done for you funnel, guys. And what this system does, it has high converting emails. And this is anytime someone reaches out to me about my business opportunity, guys, and they don't join, what this program does, this system, it automatically runs my business on autopilot 24 hours a day. It's out there building relationships with my leads, guys. It's converting my leads into customers. This is what allows me to be able to shop all day and make the income that I have made yesterday, guys. This is what allows me now true time freedom, because I have a system that's out there working for me 24 hours a day, guys. And there's no tech involved, so I don't even have any products to create. Everything is already done for you. There's no inventory, guys. This, again, allowing me all the time, because there's nothing technical that you need. And then on top of that, guys, I am a part of a phenomenal community of people, over 15,000, who support me, who have inspired me and motivate me. Guys, I'm also coached. We are all coached by a millionaire mentor, the person who created this program, the training that you're going to be able to get. Guys, this is what it's going to allow you around a 2-hour workday to be able to walk away from that job in the next 60 to 90 days, guys. Just implementing the strategies that we share and teach you inside of this program. Guys, if you're ready to walk away from your job in the next 60 to 90 days, if you want to be equipped with the skills to come online and know how to market, know how to build an email list, if you don't want to have to chase people and convince people and send friend requests and harass people, if you don't want to hear the word no in your business, but yet you want to make daily pay by creating content and being taught by a millionaire, so that you can walk away from that job this month in the next 60 or 90 days, guys, then put the word yes in the comments so I can send you guys over the information about this program that has paid me $4,300 just yesterday while I was out shopping and enjoying myself.